Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video we will create a part model of displayed geometry. Here the geometry have a L shape and the width is 100 and this length is 200. So first of all we create this L shape and then we will create the upper portion. So for that create a new file in NX, create a sketch in XZ plane, select OK, create L shape profile. This height will be 100, this length will be 200. Now we will go to offset command, enter here 15 and select this curve. Here reverse this direction and click on OK. Now we will join this curve with lines. So our sketch is completed and fully constrained. Now finish the sketch. Now we will extrude it of 100 mm. So for that we'll go to extrude command. Here we select this region. In start value enter symmetric value and enter distance 50 mm and click on OK. Now we'll create this portion. This portion have an angle of 30 degree from this face. So we'll create one datum plane. Go to datum plane. Here in option select at angle and in planar reference select this plane. In through axis select linear object. Here we selecting this linear object and here enter 30 degree. So the plane will be generated like this. Now click on OK. Now we will create a sketch on this plane. So for that go to sketch, select this plane and click on OK. Now draw one circle on this line, enter 50 mm. Now we'll give this distance. From this edge it will be 100. Now we'll create two lines. Up to this edge. Now we'll go to geometric constraints, select the vertical constraint and give these two lines. Now close this boundary and trim this circle. Now close this. So our sketch is completed and it is fully constrained. Now finish the sketch, go to extrude. Here select this region and reverse the direction. In end value and select until next and in boolean select unite. Click on OK. So the portion will generated like this. Now we will create these circular edges of 20 mm radius. So for that we will use edge blend. Enter here radius 20. Now select these four edges. And click on OK. Now we'll create these four holes of 50 mm diameter. So for that go to hole command. Enter here diameter 15 and select these four centers. And click on OK. Now we'll create this hole of 20 mm diameter. So for that go to hole command and enter here 20 and select this center. And click on OK. So the hole will generated through this body. Now we will create these circular edges of 3 mm radius. So go to edge blend, enter here radius 3 mm, select these edges and also select these edges and click on OK. So our model is completed. Now we will hide the sketches and planes and apply the color. So go to view, edit object display, select the object. Here we select this color and click on OK. Thank you friends. If you like this video then please subscribe to C4CAD.